Hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into Top 5 Mindgrasp AI Alternatives 2024. Number 1. ClickUp. Imagine a tool that doesn't just help you manage your projects but feels like a trusted teammate always by your side. ClickUp is that tool, a powerhouse that understands the chaos of juggling multiple tasks and helps you bring order to the madness. With its AI-driven features, ClickUp anticipates your needs, suggesting tasks you might overlook, automating tedious processes, and even reminding you of what's most important. It's like having a smart, proactive assistant who knows how to lighten your workload and make your day smoother. Whether you're a project manager racing against deadlines or a creative professional balancing ideas and execution, ClickUp keeps you focused and in control. Its seamless integration with platforms like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zoom turns it into your central command center, where everything just clicks into place. It's not just about getting things done. It's about doing it with confidence, clarity, and a sense of achievement. Number 2. OpenAI. OpenAI is like having a genius at your fingertips, an AI platform that can transform the way you interact with technology and information. It's not just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone looking to harness the power of AI to create, innovate, and solve problems in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're a content creator who needs inspiration, a business leader seeking data-driven insights, or a developer building the next big thing, OpenAI adapts to your needs. It can draft an engaging article, chat with users in a natural, human-like way, or even write code, all with a level of sophistication that feels almost magical. The flexibility it offers is unparalleled, making it a must-have for anyone serious about leveraging cutting-edge technology to make a difference. OpenAI doesn't just respond to commands. It collaborates with you, turning your ideas into reality with creativity and precision. It's like working with a brilliant partner who understands your vision and helps you bring it to life. Number 3. Google for Education. Think of Google for Education as a nurturing ecosystem where students and educators thrive together. It's more than just a suite of digital tools. It's a transformative experience that fosters growth, collaboration, and creativity in the classroom. With AI-driven features that make grading less burdensome and provide personalized feedback, teachers can focus more on what truly matters, inspiring and connecting with their students. Imagine a classroom where every student feels seen and supported, where learning is not just a requirement, but a journey of discovery. Google for Education bridges the gap between traditional learning and the digital age, providing a platform where knowledge flows freely and efficiently. It integrates tools like Google Classroom, Google Docs, and Google Meet to create a harmonious learning environment that feels intuitive and connected. The real magic lies in how it empowers educators to unlock their students' potential, creating a vibrant community of learners who are ready to take on the world. Number 4. Kami. Kami is like that favorite teacher who turns every lesson into an adventure, making learning interactive, fun, and engaging. It's a digital classroom tool that brings documents to life with features for annotation, voice comments, and real-time collaboration. Imagine a space where students don't just read, but interact with the content, making notes, drawing diagrams, and even leaving voice messages for their peers or teachers. Kami is more than a tool. It's a platform that encourages creativity and critical thinking. It's perfect for hybrid and remote learning environments where keeping students engaged is a challenge. By integrating seamlessly with Google Classroom, Canvas, and Schoology, Kami ensures that the transition between traditional and digital learning is smooth and effective. For teachers, it means less time managing paperwork and more time doing what they love, teaching and inspiring. For students, it's an immersive experience that makes learning a dynamic and collaborative journey. Number 5. EnhanceDocs. EnhanceDocs feels like a breath of fresh air in the often tedious world of document management. It's not just about editing documents. It's about transforming the way teams work together to create content that is clear, concise, and impactful. With AI-powered features like smart editing suggestions, content summarization, and real-time collaboration, EnhanceDocs makes every word count. Imagine having a tool that doesn't just help you write, but also thinks along with you, suggesting ways to improve clarity, tone, and style. It's like having a skilled editor by your side, ensuring that your message is always on point. For teams, this means less time spent on revisions and more time on creative brainstorming and strategic planning. The integration with platforms like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and Slack ensures that workflows are smooth and efficient. EnhanceDocs is more than a tool. It's a partner in your quest for excellence, helping you turn good ideas into great content with confidence and ease. These are the top 5 Mindgrasp AI Alternatives 2024.